There are 4 easy ways to find stocks in the right panel. Let's look for Palantir Technologies Inc. First, click on the Markets group, then Stocks, and click on USA NYSE. You can scroll now through the list and select Palantir Technologies Inc. If the list is long, like the NYSE markets, there's a quicker way. Click on the magnifying glass icon, type a part of the name like PAL, and all matching stocks will appear. When you're done, simply turn off the search with the X. If you know the ticker, you can also search in the Browse toolbar. Enter part of all of the ticker and pick the stock from the results. Lastly, you can find stocks quickly using the Company Finder. You can activate it through the icon in the Browse toolbar, the heading under Markets, or through Menu, View, Company Finder. There are 7 ways to search. In this case, we'll use the Company option, check the Company box, type part of the name like PALA, click Find or Enter, and select the stock from the results by double-clicking. Good luck!